A trio of decorative pots is a great way to bring a pop of colour to a dull corner. But these three really aren't bringing it to the party, so it's time for a makeover. If your space really needs a lift, then go for bright and bold colours. Here I've got pretty primulas and cheerful pansies. A great combination of annuals that will keep flowering right throughout the cooler months. If you want brilliant potted colour, then start with Searles Platinum Potting Mix. This potting mix has been professionally formulated to feed your plants for up to 18 months. And it's loaded with all the goodies that plants need to keep them healthy and happy. When you're planting annuals in pots, or for that matter any plant, just make sure you team plants together that like the same conditions. So sun lovers with sun lovers and shade lovers with shade lovers. The mix I've got here will like full sun or part shade. As you can see, I love to cram the plants in, so you get that instant colour hit. But you could easily use smaller seedlings and achieve the same look over time. But whatever you do, keep them flowering their socks off with a regular dose of fertiliser. This soluble fertiliser is fast acting and it's loaded with nutrients, so it's going to get this family of pots blooming like mad. Now don't forget to pinch off any spent flowers, and that'll help to really encourage new blooms to come on. And now this pretty potted combo is set and ready to brighten your backyard, patio or balcony over the coming months.